To example 1.1 in section 1.1 of the pre-calculus text. The question that's asked here is whether price is a function of the item and whether the item is a function of the price. So really what you need to know to answer this question is this important criteria, and basically you can almost think about it as the definition of what a function is. To be a function, it must be true that every element in the domain has exactly one associated element in the range. So what's not a function is when you have an element in the domain that has two different elements associated with it in the range. Remember, the domain of things you put into the machine, the range of the things that come out of the machine. So I drew these pictures here. Over here in part A, they're asking you, is price a function of the item? So if the item over here is the domain and the price over here is the range, do I have a function? And by using the words domain and range, it almost implies that you have is price a function of the item? Well, let's see here. A plain donut is $1.49, so I'd have an arrow going from here to here. A jelly donut is $1.99, so I got this arrow here. And a chocolate donut is $1.99. Does this diagram right here represent a function? In fact, it does, because it does not violate this criteria. You might be like, wait a minute though, but jelly and donut, or jelly and chocolate are both going to $1.99. Doesn't that mean something? It does. It means this function is not one-to-one. But that's not what's being asked here. It's not asking about whether something's one-to-one or not. It's asking whether or not these are functions. And this is a function because it is not the case that a single element in the domain over here is associated with two different elements in the range. Maybe to make that more clear, I'll do part B. So my answer to part A is is price a function of the item? Yeah, hell yeah it is. However, in part B, when it asks me is the item a function of price, what's going on here is the price is now the domain and the item is the range. And for $1.49, I can get a plain donut. And for $1.99, I can either get a jelly donut or a chocolate donut. This is bad. Right? This violates this criteria up here. Down here, I have a single element in the domain, namely $1.99, that's associated with two different elements in the range, jelly donut and chocolate donut. So is item a function of price? Nope, it is sure not, because it violates this important criteria, which is what it means to be a function in the first place.